Good morning, children. How are you all? Welcome to the EVS class. All of you open your EVS textbooks. Open page number 9. Open page number 9. See, children, match the emergency vehicles with the persons who use it. Here, emergency vehicles are there and the persons are there who use it. And who use it means the vehicles who use it. Okay. See, what are the vehicles we had? First, emergency vehicles. Let us see emergency vehicles. This is police car, right? Police car. This is fire engine. This is ambulance, right? Ambulance. Police car, fire engine, ambulance, right? And the persons are there who uses it, right? So ambulance is used by the driver, that is ambulance driver, right? Police car used by police, right? Okay. And next, fire engine is used by fireman, right? So now let us see the uses of the emergency vehicles. See, emergency vehicles is used when there is emergency, means when there is the need to help the people. So emergency vehicles are used when the people need help, they use. For example, ambulance. So ambulance is used to take the patient from their place to hospital, right? From their place to hospital, or when accidents are happened, from that place to take hospital. So emergency vehicle, that is also emergency vehicle. So ambulance. So ambulance is used to take the persons who are in critical situation to the hospital, right? So ambulance is used for the people to take hospital. And next, fire engine. See, children, when there is fire, where there is fire means when there is a current short circuit or when there are fire. So to control that fire, fire engines are used. And next, police vehicle. This is police car. Police car is used when there are people do much noise or people do fights. So police car is used. So policemen use their police cars to go to their place, right? Now let us match the vehicles with the person who uses it. What is this? This is police car, right? This is police car. So we can see this 3 emergency vehicles in our surroundings, because in every city, in every village, these 3 vehicles are compulsory, and these 3 vehicles are need in every place, right? So this is police vehicle, right? So police car. So who uses the police car? We normal persons? No, only policemen who are work in police department. They uses the police car. So from these 3 people, this one is the policeman. See, children, for every profession, there are their suitable uniforms, right? They are their suitable uniforms. For the policeman, there is this kind of dresses we can see. That, right? This kind of uniform we can see. Everyone use the same color, that is in chocolate color, right? This is light chocolate color. So for every profession, they are their uniforms. Okay, for the doctors, they use the white coats, right? They dress up with white. So when you visit or when you go to the hospital, you can see that doctors are wearing white coats. and stethoscopes, right? So that is the uniform to the doctors. Okay, they all have so many, but white coat is their uniform. So for the policemen, this is called khaki dress antar chudandi, khaki dress. So that is in chocolate color. So for the policeman, khaki dress is their uniform. For the firemen, they all covered up with the clothes that is protect them from the fire. See children, what firemen do? Firemen take the water pipes and they went to stop the fire. Okay, to protect themselves from the fire, they wear the dress. Okay, that dress is made up with some protection cloth. Okay, so they all cover up with helmets and dresses. So those dresses are different dresses. Okay, these are the kinds of uniform they use. Now police car is there. So he is the policeman, right? So match with the policeman, right? So police car used by policeman. And next one is, this is fire engine, right? This is fire engine. So from these two, see here, fire is coming and they are stopping with the water, right? So he is the fireman who uses fire engine vehicle. Okay, next ambulance. So ambulance is used for the ambulance driver, right? So he is the ambulance driver. So match it with this. Okay children, and now I will say the emergency vehicle numbers. So when people want to call to emergency vehicles, if they want to call to ambulance, they can call 108 or 102, means 10. They can call 108 or 102. For their villages, they will have some numbers. Okay, some other numbers according to the place, because politicians may give more special ambulances for such kind of places. And for the fire engine, we can call to 101. For the fire engine, we can call to 101. And for the police car, we can call to 100. So if you call to these numbers when people are in emergency and what type of vehicle they need, so they can call to these numbers. Okay children, this is about today's EVS class. Okay, let us meet in tomorrow's class. All of you have a nice day. Bye children.